This is one Excel tip you definitely want to know. Say for example, if you have column B with just purely names and the second column in your data set is a series of data but it's comma separated, how you convert this data set table into this table so that you can do sum and total and all that stuff. So this is how you do it. The first thing you're going to have to do is basically combine these two cells into one string using a function called text join. And then the first argument will be the delimiter. We're going to be using the comma as a delimiter. And the second argument, we're going to ignore the empty cells, place true. And the third argument would be the row of data like this. Close parenthesis and hit enter. And what you'll see is that the formula basically combined this and this into one string itself. Now we're going to split it based on the delimiter of comma. So you're going to encapsulate text join with text split like this, open parenthesis. The first argument will be the text join function itself. Second argument is your delimiter, which is your comma like that, and close parenthesis and hit enter. What that does is it creates an array of numbers, or rather array of elements, which is assigned to each individual cell like this. Now all you have to do is to apply the same formula to the rest of the row by dragging the formula right all the way down like this, and you're done.